Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about this keyword research platform, which is Ubersuggest and Similarweb. So to get started with the side-by-side comparison about these two platforms. Ubersuggest in 2025 is a practical choice for anyone who wants quick, clear keyword data to shape their content strategy. It delivers search volume, keyword difficulty, and content ideas in an easy to navigate interface plus basic site audit and backlink insight for bloggers, freelancers, and small business. It's a budget-friendly way to build keyword list and plan topics without getting lost in overly complex dashboard. Similarweb, meanwhile, isn't a traditional keyword tool. It's a competitive intelligence platform that shines at traffic and audience insight. While it can review the keywords and referral source driving traffic for competitors, its strength lies in understanding market shares, traffic patterns, and user behavior rather than giving you hands-on keyword suggestions. And here's the very conclusion. Ubersuggest is your main goal is straightforward keyword research and content planning are your main focus, but opt for Similarweb if you want high-level competitive traffic data to inform broader strategy alongside SEO. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.